Sing the rain song. Is the storm coming? Sing it for Mama.
Rain, go away. Come on, another day. Rain, rain, go away. Come on, another day. Rain, rain, go away. Come on, another day. Rain, rain, go away. Come on, another day.
Good job, Violet.
Rain, go away. Come on, another day.
Do you like the rain, Violet?
Yeah.
Do you like to watch it out the window?
You can't go outside.
Yeah, we can't go outside right now.
Yeah, it's raining.
Yeah.
You can't go outside yet. I hear it.
Uh-huh.
I wish it had more rain.
What do you think about it? Tell me.
Ready.
What do you think about the rain? Huh? Tell me what you think about the rain, sweetheart.
Pretty.
It's pretty?
Yeah.
Is it coming down fast out there or slow?
No.
Slow. Do you think that's good for Mommy's flowers outside?
Yeah.
Is it watering Mommy's flowers? Does that make my flowers happy? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I wish I had Andreas.
Yeah, you wish you could see Andreas? You see his house over there?
Yeah, I see how.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see him soon, okay?
Okay. You feel better. He needs medicine.
That's right, when he feels better. Yeah. Yeah, he has to take his medicine.
Yeah.
Okay, Violet. I love you, sweetheart.
I love you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, wait. Again.
Huh?
Again.
Again? You gonna sing the rain song one more time?
What's that?
I don't know, Jenna's watching something. Okay, bye.